Okay, that's working. Right, hello. This is my first Gorilla Tag, well, Gorilla Tag fan game tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to set up the basic Gorilla Locomotion really simply, and it's just going to make your whole life easier before you start. So you're going to create a project, but before you do, you're going to quickly go to your Unity hub, check your installs, so this is where all your versions are. For just example, I'll use my 2023 package. You're going to go to add modules and make sure you have the Android build support pack. Then you're going to click continue and then it should install. Pretty simple. Then create your thing. This is just for YouTube and that's what opens right now. Okay. That will take a minute to load, so then we're in. Right, first thing you're going to want to do is just going to delete main camera. Then you're going to just create a cube. You can set it to however big you want. I'm just going to make it like a basic flat piece. You'll see what this is for in a minute. Pretty simple. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to go to Edit and Project Settings. This will be in the top corner next to File, and then you're going to click Project Settings. Then you're going to scroll down all the way to XR Plugin Management. You're going to install it. Should take a minute. And then, well, I'm going to slow down a bit. You're going to click Open XR, because this will be the kind of movement. This will like add your controllers in game, if you get what I mean. If you don't, that's fine. That should load. And then you're going to click yes, restart the editor. It should only take a couple of seconds, pretty much. And then you're going to click save, so then you have your thing saved. Okay. It's just going to load back up. Exactly, see? And then that should be really nice and easy. It's just importing all the files. So next tutorial, I'll show you how to add photon and the cosmetics, because they're kind of close together. So okay, so now that that's added, if you see this little triangle here, you're going to click on it and you're going to click edit. Don't worry about this if you get this message. Not everyone does, because I'm on a different version that everyone uses. Just don't click fix, because it ruins it. So you're going to click edit. So you're going to change render mode to multipass and interaction profiles. You can add any of like Oculus Touch, Valve Index, or HD. I don't recommend anything else. Just this one, this one, this one. I'm going to add all three of them. Actually, no, I'll just add Oculus. So this is where the Android build pack thingamajiggy that you saw, because it adds the Android settings. So then you can also set this render mode to multipass, and then you're going to also add Oculus Touch. Pretty simple. Okay, if you don't get that, go to the start. I'll show you where to get the Android. So next we'll go to Oculus. You're going to, so it will automatic. Well, you're going to click over here, or it will set you here, and you're going to click Oculus. That will take a minute to upload. Yeah. So yes, this is the boring bit. No one likes the setting up of it, but it will all. So then you're going to go down. By the way, for the OpenXR, just click down there to get to it. You're going to click Oculus. So you're going to change this stereo rendering mode, my bad, to multipass. And where it says low overhead mode, that thing, you're going to tick it. And then you're just going to go over here and set that to multipass. Okay, that was the first little boring bit down. So now you can shut that all down. Right, next you're going to go next to component and go to window. You're going to go to package manager. It should open up like this, or however you set it to open up. Then you're going to add package from git URL. I will put this down in the description. It's com.unity. No, that's utiny. unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. That's pretty simple. Well, not simple for most people. They're just going to click add. Then it should be installing. So this will get like all the turn features that you want if you want to add turning. Pretty simple. Okay, that should be loading. And then just make sure, this is one of the most important bits, click I made a backup. Do not click no thanks, or else that will kind of ruin it. Yes. So this will just have a backup. So now you should see interaction toolkit. My pronunciations. You're going to see samples. You're going to click down where it says don't worry about any of these. These could be used for something else, but just not right now. We're going to go to start assets and click import. Pretty simple. Okay, now comes a kind of edgy bit because of the new update for the interaction toolkit. It's not going to be like Sam's video. So, see where it says starter assets? Right, so you're just going to go to this one, and then you're going to click add action base, and then do it for every single other one, apart from this one here. This one's just for the gaze controllers, and we don't want them. And then just do it for every single other one. This is the last boring bit, unless you're going to add stuff. So, after that, boom, you're done. So then, you're going to go to my Discord down in the description. And then you're going to join it. It's called Cat's World. This is a new server. And you can download this link. Once it's downloaded, just drag. So, once it's installed, you're going to go to left click on your mouse. Nope, right click on your mouse. Import package, custom package, and it is, well, I've got loads. I'll show you what all of these for later in other. And then you're just going to find Gorilla Locomotion. I think yours will be at the top. Pretty simple, yeah. Then you're going to see all of these. I'll show you how to fix that in a second. You're just going to click import. It might take a minute or two depending how fast your PC's running. And if it says this, you're going to ignore, because that'll just reload all of this, and we don't want that. So then, pretty simple, just going to go to resources, Gorilla provision, and then you're going to import the Gorilla rig. So now, this should add the movement. Pretty fun, yeah? So I'm just giving you some tips. You see where it says XR rig? We do not want that anymore. As you said, it says use the XR origin. So you're going to click remove component, and you're going to search up XR origin. That's it. If there's anything like like XR origin +2 or something, just do the first one you see, XR origin, nothing else, just that. Then you're going to see all this. I think that's just fine there. And then here's one of the best parts, like it'll make your game a lot better, where it says left hand controller and right hand. Going to select them both, and then go to tags. As you see, it's not there. So you're going to click add tag. Going to click the plus button. Going to hand tag. So you can see there, hand tag. It has to specifically be like this for all the other scripts that we're going to add. Yes, pretty simple. Then, just to make it more neater and also for better things, going to make for user 6 left controller, and just do the same for right controller. Yeah. So then you're going to go to your left and right. You're going to add a hand tag, and for left, of course, you're going to add left controller and right controller. Now, I should have done this before. Select them both. Oh, nope, not that. And you're going to click open here. Going to search up sphere collider. You want this one. If there's like 2D or whatever, who cares about them? We want this one. And then you're going to set it to is trigger. And then you're going to set it to 0.05. Make sure it's 0.5, because then it'll just make it easier. And then if I just simply click play, I'm not going to be able to test it, but I'll just show you. Yeah. So then it should load in. And then boom, you've got a simple movement. You should be able to hit up and down now. Yeah. that simple gorilla locomotion. Right, thank you for watching. Hope this can be helpful to you. Bye.